Now I will explain you an important result of the chapter similar triangles. From this chapter similar triangle, as BPT, converse of BPT, Pythagoras, converse of Pythagoras, in the same sequence there is important result, that is the theorem named as area similarity theorem. So question in examination is asked like this: state and prove area similarity theorem. So first of all, we must know what is this area similarity theorem. That is meaning, what is this statement. So statement of the area similarity theorem is, if two or more triangles, I am taking only two at initial stage, if two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas is same as the ratio of squares of their corresponding maybe sides, maybe medians, maybe angle bisectors, or maybe altitudes. So here what we need to do, we have to prove that if two triangles are similar, it is meaning that we are given two similar triangles. And what we need to prove, that ratio of areas of these given two similar triangles is same as the ratio of squares of either corresponding sides, corresponding medians, corresponding angle bisectors, or corresponding altitudes. This is the statement. Remembering the statement is very important. Two reasons: because if you are not aware about the statement, you are not able to crack the question. If you are not aware about the statement, if anyhow you can manage, but you will not get the marks of this portion of the statement. So what is given in this theorem? So the given is, we have two similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, we can make here two triangles. That is, first triangle I can say ABC, and the second triangle which is similar to it may be DEF. We have two triangles which are similar. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. These are the two similar triangles. This is given. If I am going to make the proof of first part, no additional information is required in given. But if I want to prove the second part, that is, I want to prove that the ratio of areas of the similar triangles is same as the ratio of squares of medians, then in given, that as I have written triangles are similar, in addition to it I have to write that suppose AM and DN are medians, because if I am going to prove the second part. If I want to prove third part, I will write AM and DN are angle bisectors. If I want to prove fourth part, then I will write AM and DN are altitudes. So ultimately there will be a small change in writing the given, that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. First of all, this is clear. Understand? Then what we want to prove? I am taking the proof of first part, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. I am writing here DEF, same as the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides, that is AB square upon DE square is equals to BC square upon EF square is equals to AC square upon DF square. That is what? To prove ratio of areas of the two similar triangles is same as the ratio of square of corresponding side. Side corresponding to AB is DE, their squares are AB square upon DE square. Side corresponding to BC is EF, again I have mentioned here. Side corresponding to AC is DF, as I have mentioned here. So what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. What we need to prove? This. This means first part. I am taking proof for the sides. What is the construction required here? In the construction, I will plot first of all, because area is related with this question, so I will say AM is the perpendicular drawn from vertex A to side BC, and DN I have drawn from vertex D to side EF. what we will write here, draw AM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular EF. This is something what? The construction of this problem. Now we are going to begin with the last theme of the theorem, that is its main part, proof. So I want to find the ratio of areas. So first of all I will write area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is the half BC into AM. Then area of triangle DEF is what? Half EF into DN. So half and half cancelled. I have got BC upon EF into AM upon DN. BC upon EF into AM upon DN. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. The ratio of areas of triangles ABC and DEF is coming as half BC into AM upon half EF into DN. Half cancel. This becomes BC upon EF into AM upon DN. Number 1. I can prove any of the result. Remaining can be proved similarly. So, if you know what is given, triangles are similar. Which triangles? ABC is similar to triangle DEF. As triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. What implies this? If two triangles are similar, then we say their all angles are equal. Meaning why? I can say angle A is equals to angle D, comma, angle B is equals to angle E. I can also conclude that angle C is equals to angle F. So as triangle ABC is similar to DEF, we can say A is equals to D, B is equals to E and C is equals to F. Number 1. Also as triangles are similar, this I can say relation number 2. Because why these angles are equal? Because it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and if triangles are similar, then what we say, their all angles are equal also this what implies that ratio AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. Again, why? Because similar triangles having the ratios of corresponding sides same. Now I want to tell you that in triangle ABM and DEN, if I take these two triangles, in triangle ABM and triangle DEN, angle B is equals to angle E. This triangle ABM and DEN, angle B is equals to angle E. Angle B is equals to angle E. Its reason is very much simple. From this relation you can associate it from the second component of the result number 2. Angle B is equals to angle E. Angle AMB is equals to angle DNE. Angle DNE. Reason being, each angle is 90 degree, because in construction we have drawn perpendiculars. These are AM and DN. So if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, so from this part what we conclude, that the triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. If triangle ABM is similar to DEN, then their sides must be same in the ratio, that is AB upon DE. This implies AB upon DE is equals to AM upon DN. Corresponding sides are AM upon DN. But if we see AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF from third result, and from here we have concluded that AB upon DE is equals to AM upon DN. So on comparing these two results, what we will conclude? We will conclude that BC upon EF is same as AM upon DN. BC upon EF is same as AM upon DN. So in equation number 1, in place of AM upon DN, if I replace this result of AM upon DN by BC upon EF, so this result will convert to which? You can see it I am writing here, that is area triangle ABC upon area triangle DEF is equals to what? This is equals to BC upon EF, I have already, and in place of AM upon DN, I am able to write BC upon EF again, BC upon EF. So BC upon EF into BC upon EF gives me BC square upon EF square. So what I have got the result, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon EF square. So this is the required result which we want to prove. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to BC square upon EF square as here proved. Similarly, we will write, we can prove all other two sides also. But now, as I have proved first part, if I want to explain you from here only how we will prove second part. As I have proved that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is same as the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides. But ratio of sides is same as ratio of medians. So in place of sides we can write medians. So this will be true for medians also. We also note that in two similar triangles, ratio of the sides of two similar triangles is same as the ratio of the corresponding angle bisectors. So this can be proved with the same help here. And we also know that the ratio of sides in two similar triangles is same as the ratio of the corresponding altitudes. So that can also be proved. So you can use two results, A, which one I have proved here, and B, by knowing that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is same as the ratio of squares of sides, and sides, angle bisectors, medians, altitudes of similar triangles are always having same ratio. Even you have to remember that the ratio of perimeters of two similar triangles is same as the ratio of sides, ratio of medians, ratio of angle bisectors, and ratio of altitudes. So we can say even area of two triangles is same as the ratio of squares of their perimeters. Now I will tell you why the ratios of sides of the two similar triangles is same as the ratio of medians, angle bisectors, and altitudes. Why these four are equal to each other and same as the perimeters of the two similar triangles in this chapter, similar triangles.